Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Wine software on Kali Linux 2024.4. First open terminal, also open any web browser, verify whether we have any Wine version. See, we don't have Wine installed, so Control N. Now go to Wine official website, that is winehq.org. Hit enter. See here, Wine is a compatibility layer capable of running Windows applications on POSIX compliant operating systems such as Linux, macOS and BSD. Okay, so the purpose of Wine on Kali Linux is we can run Windows applications on Kali Linux. Okay, so click on download for the latest version. Now see here, we have the WineHQ binary packages. See here we have the Ubuntu and Debian, but we don't have the Kali Linux. Okay, go to terminal, more /etc os -release. See, its ID is like Debian, so we can install Ubuntu binary packages. So click on Ubuntu. See, Ubuntu or Debian. See, these are the steps that needs to be followed. See, if your system is 64-bit, enable the 32-bit architecture. So copy this one, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now add the repository. Copy this one. It is going to create a keyrings file. Hit enter. Now copy this entire command, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Next is add the repository. See, if your distribution name is not in the list, or older package may be available. Okay, it's fine. So you can either go with Ubuntu 24.04 or Debian 12. I am going with Bookworm and copy it, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update. Hit enter. It is done. Now see here we have the following packages. I am going with stable branch. So copy this one, paste it. See, we have successfully installed WineHQ and its version is 9.0. So verify the version wine -version. See, we have installed Wine version 9.0. Now try to open the notepad. So notepad.exe file. Okay, go to Google, download notepad. Click on this download notepad.exe. Wait a moment. See, from this file it is going to download Win32 notepad. See, download started, it is completed, it is notepad.exe file. Go to terminal, cd downloads ls. See here we have the notepad.exe. So run wine notepad, hit enter. Wait a moment, it is opening. Install. See, we got the notepad application. Okay, this is the way to open exe files by using Wine software. So in this video we have seen how to install Wine software on Kali Linux for execution of .exe files on Kali Linux 2024. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.